Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we got toy unboxing here. I was just found in the KCC. So we have a suitcase, toys, die-cast car, construction vehicles. It's sponsored by Spence Toys. And the back doesn't have any logos on. So let's open it up and see what's inside. But the scotch tape is still really hard to open it. So let's take and open it, this one. There's a lot of toys, vehicles here. So it's the dump truck first. Dump truck is nice toy. The brand is Kenworth W900 dump truck. The working dumpsters are really nice. And so we have the cement truck here. There's another from Gaisano too. It's nice cement truck. Pretty nice toys. It's just like TNA. And we got the road roller, paving road. It's a new fixing road. It has a really nice. It's a forklift. And this nice forklift, it lives in the warehouse. Because delivering from something. Boxes, crates, box. So we got Excavator, Caterpillar Excavator. It's really nice. And it's a bulldozer or payloader. That's nice Caterpillar brands. It's really nice. So here comes with the stickers, just so until finish this video. All these die-casts from die-cast cars for Spence Toys Incorporated, and also has no penny stickers. Alright guys, thanks for watching for my videos. Stay more comment down below. My name is Dadamunsip here, and see you next one video. Thanks again, and see you next time.